Hello.
Hello. Good morning.
Morning. Good morning. It's beautiful place, right? This is the very small street gang in Ubud. I will put the map over here so you will see where is it. And anyway, I'm in Ubud. Some ducks are over here. Can you hear that? And today, this morning, early morning, because about 5 o'clock at mornings, Winnie wakes me up and she went to her family home in Chabanan. So she went to her family home in Chabanan because tomorrow is the Galungan. This is very important celebration in the Hindu religion, just the most important just after the Nyapi Day. And today's vlog will be a little bit about Ubud, how is the life over here, and also I want to find some local people who are making a preparation for the Galungan, and I want to talk about the penjors, which is the bamboo sticks with decoration. However, this year is little bit, you know, guys, in the current situation and stuff, so I can already see it's not as used to be in the previous years. It's not so many, and even if they are very, very simple. Of course, this is only the tradition, same like we have a Christmas tree in the Christian religion or something. It can be huge or can be just very simple, right? And it's the same with the penjors. However, here this place is like a lot of villas and for rent, private villas, guest house, and some restaurants with the view of the rice fields. However, almost everything is closed here, so now I will go to Ubud Center. I already passed the Ubud Center, but not much is happening here but I will show you guys how it looks there, and hopefully I can find some people and maybe they would like to talk. Here you go. Here is the one of penjor. So like this one, you put the bamboo stick. Here is the place where you put offerings, this yellow here, and the penjor is like this, like this. Beautiful, isn't it? Weather is very beautiful. Morning in Ubud, sunny, rice fields, peace and quiet. Now I will show you, because Winnie sent me the few videos how she prepared the offerings and helping her mom and grandma, dad, anyway her family with everything, with preparation, and she make some material for you. I will show you guys now.
Tawar apa, Pak? Warna angkel. Warna angkel. Alright, so good morning. Today is Penampahan Galungan Day, so a day before Galungan. So for Hindus Balinese, we preparing for the offerings, and like what I'm doing now, I'm preparing for the offerings. This is the offering actually. Just like this. Yeah, so I'm so busy to prepare everything. So this is the offerings for tomorrow Galungan. So this is only the small one, the small offering we put canang sari or something. So here is the offering that I will use for praying today. So it's canang sari and canang banten, and it's the same canang sari and canang banten. And here is the big offering, like fruits, cakes, and offering. And then this is called sagi rayunan, like this is special offering also. And this one is called punjerimpan, punjung. Quite big offering for today for Galungan actually. Here is my grandma.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Oh, come see, sir.
Oh,
Oh my God. I've opened heart. Where do you come from?
I'm from Poland,
Poland.
in Europe.
Oh, I'm from Ubud.
Oh, that's good.
Nice to meet you,
Nice
my
to
friend.
meet you. Excited about Galungan?
Yeah, Galungan.
Already prepare everything, yeah?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, take care, my
See you
friend.
next time, my friend.
Take care, yeah?
Yeah.
Drive safely.
Yes.
Okay, so as you can see, previously the very happy family it was carried the penjor. Now the guy was very happy, also talk with me. This is the gang. I will put the name of the map location on the corner. I really forgot the name. However, here the life is going very slow and very peaceful. This is typically a very Balinese area, Balinese house, and people preparing slowly for the Galungan. However, yeah, it's very quiet. And I will show you a little bit about the street because it's very interesting, as there are a lot of signs on the street. I will show you now. Behind me is very nice penjor, and over there somebody preparing something. We will see. Ada soal mati untuk naik selenger dah. Dek ngelot tu kan, kan dorong. Wah.
Ubud dia sáng nông cát cái tem mò mát cái dạ
So behind me is the perfect view of the street with the penjors, as I show you, and also this Balinese family are preparing one penjor. And by the way, that's very close to the art center in Ubud.
I'll be coming home. then I'll be at your door. When I'll be coming home, I plan to let you know the longing of my heart, the wish I carry high.
Now, as you can see, I'm on the way to Jatilui. However, not Jatilui, the Galalang rice fields. However, I will don't go to the rice fields itself. I just wanna show you guys how it looks, the situation on this way. It's a lot of shops over here was selling many stuff. However, most of them they are closed, and here is the one family who preparing the banjar. We'll see. Anyway, the conditions here are very quiet, I have to say, like always. And behind me is the preparation.
Whenever we're apart, it takes me through the night. When I look deep into your eyes, when I look deep into your eyes, when I'll be coming home, and I am on my way, when I'll be coming home.
Let's come back to Jalan Monkey Forest Street, and as you can see, the condition here is how it is. What I can say, I will have a coffee in Bittersweet. I will show you a few shots. They have a nice coffee and cake for 50k only. At least they had it last time. I will try, and it's open. Very nice place. I used to be here once with Winnie, but that was a long time ago on the block.
I wanna see you play the music of your heart. I'm followed by your light. Whenever we're apart, it takes me through the night. When I look deep into your eyes, oh, when I look deep into your eyes,
just after coffee, and now is the Jalan Monkey Forest and different street. I will have a walk around, show you a few spots around. By the way, coffee was lovely, beautiful place, but they don't have a promo of the cake anymore. So sad. Anyway, check this out, how is the conditions over here. So yeah, that's right, guys. I'm gonna walk now, starting from Jalan Monkey Forest into the street from the Coco Mart and the sign of the Monkey Forest down into petrol station. There is the few hotels and the famous restaurants. However, as you can see, it's how it is, right? It's cool, quiet, cozy. This place is closed, everything is closed. I really love these cables behind me. By the way, that was the current prices of currencies. Somebody asked me how much is the Australian dollar, and somebody else asked me how much is the euro. That's the prices from today. Somebody just passed me with the cell phone on the motorbike, like a cream color Scoopy, and I think he recorded me how I make a vlog. I think this is the one of the vloggers who making also updates. Hello! Let me know if you're watching that. Let's do some collab, guys.
And they say things will come and go, but I say I remember now memories.
Yeah, on the street, like you can see, and it's quite many places to over contract. Over contract, that means for lease or for rent. Yeah, it's quite many.
Send me afar, taking me along, coming to recall memories. I was only 5 when I lost a flying kite, and I cried all night. And they say
in this place few cafes are open, and then yes, for breakfast. However, not many people over here. Nice car. I thought it's the police, but it's not. That's in Bali normal. We passing now the spa shop over here. I make a vlog over there with Winnie. Very nice. I recommend it.
things will come and go, and they say don't you hold on, but I say I remember now. Everything that comes to happen ain't a final matter in the long run, in the long run. Oh, memories send me away, taking me astray in a certain way. Memories. I was 21 when I fell in love with you, and I lost you too. Whoa. And they say things will come and go, and they say
Well, that's how it looks, the situation in Ubud. Some places are closed, some places are open, other places are to the rent or for lease, and other places are under the renovation or construction. So that's how it looks like. Something is happening. Today was little bit about how is the Ubud, little bit how's the people preparing themselves for Galungan, which is tomorrow. I found few people who put the painter. Very nice. Always good vibes, always very good atmosphere in Ubud. I think that will be enough for today's vlog. Tomorrow will be part 2 from Galungan, because tomorrow is actually Galungan day. And tomorrow I gonna go to one place. I hope so you will like, guys. It's the special place for this occasion, I could say. Maybe some of you already know where I'm gonna go. But I'm not gonna tell you the name. Stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share, comment. If you subscribe, you will know about tomorrow's vlog. And yeah, take care, guys. See ya. By the way, so hot, like always.
things will come and go, and they say don't you hold on, but